Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can insert a text box or text in pages of your website project on Framer. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Framer, select your workspace in the top left. Next, navigate to your projects and left click into the website project you would like to edit. After that, navigate to the Pages tab in the top left and select the page you would like to edit. I'm going to stay on the home page here. So guys, as you can see, I inserted an example text box like this. What you want to do is use the text tool here at the top or use the shortcut T and then left click on your page and then enter the text, for example. So as you can see, the text box will use the same style, copy the same style of the previous text box you have inserted on your page. But of course you can customize that text. Highlight the text of the text box and here to the right, guys. You may, for example, apply various text effects, change the size, position, for example. If you'd like to, for instance, change to absolute, this is going to allow you to move the text box anywhere you like on your page, because as you can see, that one here has a relative position to the header here. So I would need to change the position type here from relative to absolute to move it, for example, to this area here. Then you will see these guides and lines here. For orientation, you can of course also change the font color and the style, the opacity, and so on and so forth here. So that's actually how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.